Stand back! Stand back! Things are about to get fizzy, whizzy, and a little bit crazy!
Hala! Fizzy? Whizzy? Ate Fifi, nanganganib ba tayo?
Don't worry, Mimi. Every great scientist makes a little boom now and then. That's the fun of experiment.
Maghahalo-halo tayo at susubok ng mga bagay-bagay at baka din biglang.
That's right, friends. So put on your safety goggles.
Tara na at paganahin ang ating mga utak. Samahan niyo kami sa isang kamangha-manghang STEM experiment.
Hello, friends! Welcome back to our very fun STEM lab. My name is Kak Fifi, and this is my best friend, Mimi!
Kumusta kayong lahat? Ako si Mimi.
Today, we have a very cool STEM mission. We are going to build our very own submarine. Now, friends, have you ever wondered why some items float and some items sink?
Napakagandang tanong yan, Ate Fifi. Wow!
Now, have you ever dropped something into the water and wonder what would happen? Will it stay on top and float? Or would it drop to the bottom and sink?
Kapag ang isang bagay ay nananatili sa ibabaw ng tubig, sinasabi nating ito ay lumulutang. Ang mga bagay na napakagaan, tulad ng plastic na boteng ito o isang dahon, ay lumulutang. Yippee! Wow! Wow!
Amazing, Mimi! It has stayed on top of the water, which means that it floats. Now, how about this pebble? Do you think it will float?
Wow, tingnan mo! Diretso itong napupunta sa ilalim. Kapag ang isang bagay ay napupunta sa ilalim ng tubig, sinasabi nating ito ay lumulubog. Wow!
Wow, Mimi, it looks like the leaves were very light and float, and the rocks were really heavy and they sank. So remember this very simple rule. Light things will float while heavy things will sink. Okay, Mimi, our mission for today is to create our very own submarine that we can control. It must be able to sink and float on command.
Ay, Kapitan Ate Fifi! Nandito na si Kapitan Mimi. Mga kaibigan, kailangan natin ng isang malinaw na plastic na bote. Kailangan din natin ng straw. At ilang barya. Ang mga barya ang ating sikretong sandata. Simulan na natin itong gawin. Una, kunin ang iyong plastic na bote. Siguraduhing malinis ito at walang tubig sa loob. Sunod, kunin ang mga straw at ating idikit ang mga straw sa mga gilid ng bote. Makakatulong ito sa ating submarino na manatiling balanse. Sapat na ang kakaunting pandikit. Yay!
Ooh, I see someone! Hi, Kiki! Say hello to our super pal, Kiki! Are you going to help us today?
Yeah.
Awesome! Okay, friends, now that we have our submarine ready, we are going to put it in the water. But first, we are going to put our control system, which is the coins. These coins are what's going to help us make the submarine sink or float. Okay, Kiki, could you put 2 coins in? 1, 2. All right, and we are going to close it up and see what happens. Okay, we have 2 coins inside. Let's put it in the water and see what happens.
Oras na para sa ating unang pagsubok. Ilagay nyo na ang iyong submarino sa tubig. Ano ang mangyayari? Wow, lumulutang ito!
Wow, with 2 coins, our submarine is still floating on the water. All right, friends, let's add more coins into the submarine and see what happens. Okay, Kiki, you can put as many coins as you want. Oh, this is like a piggy bank, Mimi and Kiki.
Our
Okay.
piggy bank is empty.
Yes, and we have 1 million coins inside. Now it's time for our test. Let's see if our submarine will sink or will it continue to float. Are you ready, Kiki and Mimi?
Yeah.
Okay, now Kiki, you can help me put it onto the water. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's still
It's
floating.
still floating, but it's sinking a little bit more than before. Ooh. It's not floating as much as before, but it is still not sinking. Now, friends, let's see if we add more. Now, friends, you can see that our submarine has sunk just a little bit earlier. However, I want it to sink all the way to the bottom. So, we are going to add more things inside here. And we are going to use this colorful water beads. Okay, let's use the spoon so that it doesn't get messy. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, friends. Let's put the water beads in. Ooh, they're so colorful. Okay,
Water.
let's fill it up to half of the bottle. Whoa. Okay, let's try it. Now our submarine has been filled to half its capacity. Let's see if it will sink now. I'm going to close the bottle. You don't think it will? Mimi, what about you? Okay, let's try it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, half of it has sunk to the bottom. Okay, let's balance it.
Yep.
Let's see if it sinks.
Oh, it's still floating. I was correct.
It's still floating, but when it is full, it will sink. So, what do you think we should do to make it fully sink?
We put the whole everything inside here.
Yes, and I think we should put 2 more straws here and here to make it more stable. Last scoop.
Bilingual.
All right, our submarine is now full of water beads and coins. Let's see what will happen. What do you think will happen, Kiki?
I think you'll sink.
How about you, Mimi? Okay, let's find out. Are you ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's still, I think because
The coins.
are at the bottom, so it's still sinking that way. Let's mix the coins together. Okay. So the weight needs to be evenly distributed. Okay, let's see. Now it's sinking, but it's still a little bit lighter on this side, so we need to put more coins on this side. Let's see. That's a great idea, Kiki. So we need to add more weight on the top. So I'm going to pour out the water beads.
A little bit.
And I'm going to put marbles instead because marbles are heavier.
A little bit of bleach.
Okay.
Just a little bit of water bleach.
Oh, hang on. Let me put the funnel in.
Yes.
1 second. Okay.
Follow. Go.
Okay. Let's see if it works now.
No.
Okay, we've put more marbles on top and there's coins there. Okay, let's see.
3,
3, 2, 1,
go.
go. Oh, it's still a little bit light here. Okay, let's put even more marbles.
Yippee.
Okay, let's see if it sinks equally now. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, thanks.
Woohoo! Finally! Yippee! We have made our submarine fully sink. Now, Mimi, why did this happen?
Mga kaibigan, isipin nating may laman sa loob ang bote. Kapag ang bote ay walang laman, ito ay puno ng hangin. At ang hangin ay napakagaan. Ang mga molecules ng hangin ay hindi kasing sinsin ng tubig sa paligid nito, kaya ang submarino ay lumulutang. At pagkatapos, idinagdag natin ang mga barya. Ang barya ay mas mabigat kaysa sa hangin. Naglagay tayo ng mas maraming bagay sa maliit na espasyo, kaya mas naging mas masinsin ito. Ginawa natin itong masinsin at mabigat. Sa pamamagitan ng pagdaragdag ng mga barya, ginawa nating mas masinsin ang ating submarino kaysa sa tubig. At kapag ang isang bagay ay mas mabigat kaysa sa tubig sa paligid nito, ito ay palaging lulubog.
So friends, to recap, we first started with coins at the bottom here and our submarine only sank this way because the top part didn't have anything in it, making it very light on top. And then we added our water beads, which made our submarine sink just a little bit, but not quite enough. So we added more water beads and our submarine did sink, but it was still sinking vertically because it was still heavy at the bottom. Finally, Kiki and Mimi had the great idea of adding marbles on top to make both sides as heavy. And finally, our submarine has fully sunk. So we have been able to change the properties of this submarine from floating to vertically sinking to now it is fully sinking. Great job, Mimi and Kiki. Parents and teachers, this experiment aligns with the Singapore MOE Primary 3 Science Syllabus under Systems and Interactions. By watching their submarine float and sink, your child is learning about density, which is the core reason why something floats or sinks. The submarine is a system, and the way it behaves is determined by its interaction with water. This is a fun, hands-on way for them to understand that the behavior of an object is the direct result of the forces acting upon it. For example, The more water beads, coins, and marbles we put in, the more likely it is for our submarine to sink. And the lesser stuff we put into the bottle, the more likely it is for our submarine to float.
Woohoo! Wow! Mga magulang, maaari nyo pang paglaruan ang konseptong ito. Una, subukan ninyong gumawa ng isang submarino na lumulutang lamang sa gitna ng tubig. Hindi sa ibabaw at hindi sa ilalim. Nakatutuwang mag-eksperimento ng iba't ibang densidad. Pangalawa, subukan niyong gumamit ng iba't ibang laki ng bote. Ano ang mangyayari? Kailangan ba ng higit pa o mas kaunting mga barya upang lumubog? Wow! Pangatlo, maaari din kayong gumamit ng iba't ibang pangpabigat tulad ng maliliit na bato, holen, o kahit na maliliit na laruang sundalo hanggang sa mapuno ang iyong bote. Subukan nyo kung ano ang mangyayari kung kayo ay gagamit ng iba't ibang bote at iba't ibang pampabigat ng bote.
Woohoo! Mission accomplished, Mimi! Great job! Now we have been able to create submarines that we can control. We have created a submarine that will sink. And we created a submarine that will float in between and only sink halfway. Ooh. And we have created a mini submarine that will float. Ta-da! Wow! Look, friends, we have made all these submarines using water bottles, but we have changed the items in them, how much they weigh, and what items we chose to use. And we have been able to command our submarines using the things in them and also the sizes of the bottle to either sink all the way down, float halfway and sink halfway, and also completely float. Which submarine did you like the best?
Isa muling kamangha-manghang misyon ito, mga kaibigan. Pakiramdam ko'y ako ay isang piloto ng submarino at isang tunay na siyentipiko. Sana ay marami kayong natutunan. Tandaan, ang agham ay nasa lahat ng bagay. Kaya patuloy tayong manaliksik at magtanong.
If you enjoyed this video and want to watch more STEM experiments like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel at Kak Fifi and Mimi. Till we see you in our next video. Bye-bye!
Paalam! Hanggang
Jumpa
sa muli!
lagi!